Something to consider for home practice if you are doing a live class, like a Zoom class, is where you place your device. If your priority is to be seen, meaning you would like feedback from your teacher on alignment, breathing, etc., set up so that you can be seen. A diagonal is a great option. That's what I have set up right now. I've got my computer pretty far away from the mat at about a diagonal. That would let the teacher see a lot of me fairly clearly. Another good option if you want to be seen while you're practicing is to set up on the long side of your mat. So most of the class you'll be getting a side view. You'll see from here that I've got my computer set up quite far away from the mat. This is about how far back Mike sets up his device when he's taking class so that everyone can see sun salutations clearly. If your priority is to see rather than to be seen, meaning that you would like to be able to see the teacher or the example screen that's up, you'll want to set your device quite close to you. The teacher won't be able to see you as clearly, but you'll be able to get the visual references that you need, and you'll be able to hear well with your device close to you.